Welcome to Cordillera Region. Join us to explore the rich flavor and traditions of Cordillera Region. The first is the Abra Miki. It is a popular noodle soup in the Abra province, made with hand-pulled noodles and a savory broth, often flavored with chicken or pork. Imbaliktad is a quick stir-fry dish made with thin slice of beef, liver or pork, seasoned with soy sauce, vinegar, and spices. Quarek is a dish made from pork paste, liver, and sometimes intestines. And the sinuman is a traditional sticky rice cake wrapped in banana leaves. It is usually sweetened with sugar and sometimes flavored with coconut milk, making it a popular snack or dessert during special occasions. Pinuneg is a traditional blood sausage made from pig's blood, ground meat, and spices stuffed into an intestine casing. It's a delicacy in Kalinga, usually served during festival occasions. Nikpigan is a ritualistic chicken dish prepared by lightly beating the chicken to bruise the meat, which is believed to enhance its flavor. Binongor is a traditional dish from Dakar, especially known for its preparation by Kalinga farmers. It features agurong and bisukol with rabong, mushrooms, langka, and chili pepper. Itag is the general term used in Car for a traditional way of preserving pork.
Silokchok, or chili paste made from wild chili and scallions. Next is Inay Chila. It's a sticky rice cake similar to suman but with distinct regional variations. Next is Vava and Kaju, sauteed frog legs that marinated with milk and seasoned with salt and pepper. Next is a Tape, traditional rice wine made from fermented glutinous rice. Sinursur, a dish made from gabi or taro leaves and cooked with coconut milk and flavored with ginger and other spices. Next one is Safeng or Sabeng, is a drink that can be added to some foods. And lastly is Choom Doom. Roasted rice crunch is similar to pinipig of the Tagalogs.